for clicking onto this video, and also thank you very much if you've just recently subscribed to this channel. Yeah, thank you, and if you haven't already, please enter my LMS giveaway. It's open international. There's still time to enter it, but it will be closing very soon. So it will. So I'll try and put the details in the description bar, but just look for LMS giveaway just in case I forget. But yes, so I'm not sure if anybody would be interested in this video. It's all about jewellery organisation. I have been reorganising some of the rooms in my house. This is actually my daughter's room that I'm in at the minute, but I redecorated my own room, and one of the things that I wanted to reorganise was my jewellery. I don't have much jewellery, but I have some fine pieces and antique pieces that are important to me, and I don't want to lose them. And when I was trying to sort things out, I realised a couple of the boxes were missing. Now they're in the house somewhere. I've just moved them when I was redecorating, but it just really prompted me that I need to do something and organise my jewellery. And also there's some pieces that I don't wear and I should be wearing, and it's just simply because they're being put away in a drawer. So I seen this idea from another YouTuber and I just thought it was a brilliant product. I've opened it already because I was looking, I can't remember the name of the company, and I was looking to see if they had a company box, and they don't. It's all Amazon packaging, so that's where it's from. It's from Amazon, but I think it's from a company called Jack's Boxes. I will put the link in the description bar. In fact, I won't even publish this video until I put the link in, because it took me a wee while to find the proper one that I was looking for. The price is £35. It's not cheap, but if it helps me organise my jewellery, keep it in the one place and not lose anything, or keeps them from breaking, then it's good for me. And also if it helps me to wear items that I haven't in a long time, then it's really good for me as well. So all in this, it all came in the Amazon packaging, and my little assistant over here has them here. So oh my gosh, it is actually quite heavy. So this is really what I love about them. They are stackable, and we have 4 trays in total. The good thing about it is if you didn't think the 4 trays were enough for you, then you have the option to buy another pack. But to be honest, I think the 4 trays are going to be enough. The dimensions, I'll put the dimensions in the description bar as well. But I mean, if you know centimetres, we work in centimetres here in the UK and Ireland, and that's around about 60 centimetres, I would say. So they are quite long. So I'll show you each individual tray now. Right, Erin, you grab them. Whoop. Ah. She didn't grab them. Right, okay. The first tray. So this is the first tray, and this is one I think you should be keeping maybe on top of the stack, because it has a little mixture of every sort of kind of storage. What I particularly love about this set is the necklace, the way they have the necklace and bracelet storage. So you have these little hooks here where you can hang either a necklace or a bracelet, and they would just be perfect for anything with a fine chain or anything that you don't want to get tangled up and get broken. These are perfect. And this is really what sold me on the set, is the way they have the necklace storage, because I think this is a really great idea. Yeah, these little cubes here, I think they would be good. Sorry, I'm talking from behind the storage. I turned it around that way. These will be good for earrings or rings. And then the bigger ones I think would be fantastic for watches. Definitely watches. Anything a little bit bigger and chunky, But the watches, I think a watch could fit in there as well, or maybe chunky bracelets and bangles. So that would be a really good tray to keep on top, because you could keep everything that you wear every day in this tray. Next up, so a bit more sort of specific storage in here. We have the sort of rectangles. They are sort of deep enough. Let's see if I can put my bracelet in. I mean, you could hold maybe a few bracelets in each little storage option, and they are pretty deep. I'd probably end up making, maybe it would be a good idea to do an updated video to show you how I fill them. So bracelets definitely, bangles probably not because of the shape, but yeah, very useful. Next up, more storage, and again, these for earrings and rings definitely. And next up, and this definitely sold me on this set, because I have an awful lot of fine jewellery. Well, jewellery with fine chains. So this is absolutely fantastic. Brilliant storage. So that's it. That is the 4 layers. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, but I will leave all the details there, and I think it will make more sense doing an updated video as well, just to show you how I fill them and get a little more sense of the space. Hello, I'm just adding this little bit in because while I was editing the video, when I was trying to put the link in for the storage organizer, it became unavailable. So I'm not sure if it's out of stock or whether they're not going to give that option for the 4 trays anymore. I noticed the same company, they're called jackcube design or jackcube design, and they have the trays to buy individually, which might be more practical if you don't need all the trays, or you wanted to buy maybe multiple of the one tray. And also they have sort of different trays to what I've shown. They have a lovely one with a glass top, which would actually look really nice on top of the trays that I already have. And they also have a smaller cube design in stock. If you don't have much jewellery, that would be perfect. And also, of course, Amazon do other brands, and they have ones that are slightly cheaper as well. That particular one just appealed to me for what I needed it for. So that's that. So sorry I can't give the link for the exact one, but just check out jackcube design on Amazon in their jewellery organisation and storage section. Thank you. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening wherever you are. And if you have any questions, stick them in the comments below. Thank you.